How to transfer money from TD Bank to Bank of America. First, ensure you have the latest version of the TD Bank mobile app and open it up. Once you sign in using your credentials, select Send Money from the home screen menu. Then make sure to select the Globally Send Money option at the top right corner. After clicking Globally, you'll be able to register and browse through their partners. Select Get Started at the bottom and confirm all your personal information. If needed, you can update any details to make sure everything is correct. Once everything is in order, accept the terms and conditions to register for the International Money Transfer Service, and then tap Send Money. You'll need to provide an estimate, so include the destination country and the amount of money you're transferring. After getting your estimate, if everything looks good, choose your preferred transfer method, whether it's to an account, a cash pickup, or a direct card transfer. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the recipient's details and ensure everything is valid. You'll also need to include the purpose of the transfer. Review and confirm all the details, including any possible fees or taxes. And if everything is valid, you can approve and make the transfer. And if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe.